Established in 2005, Shanghai Rainbow Industrial Company Limited is a professional manufacturer of t-shirt printing machine, UV flatbed printer, coffee printer, focusing on product R&D, production, sales and service. Located in Songjiang District, Shanghai, with convenient transportation, Rainbow dedicates to strict quality control, technology innovation, and thoughtful customer service. It successively obtained CE, SGS, LVD, EMC, and other international certifications. The products are popular in all cities in China and exported to 200 other countries in Europe, North America, the Middle East, Oceania, South America, etc. OEM and ODM orders are also welcomed. Please feel free to discuss your purchasing needs with the Customer Service Center to get help.